Good afternoon, viewers. This is Sage live from the 𝐾𝐽 studios in Sydney, and you're watching The Buzzing Trends, a show that brings to you the emerging trends defining the market movement and the related stocks under the spotlight. In today's show, we'll discuss the trends spanning out in the metals and materials sector, and then the 10 hot metals and mining stocks that are close to life highs. So let us get started. The commodity market has been on its toes since the second half of 2020, and several commodities, including iron ore, lithium, gold, copper and silver, have been trading at new highs. In addition, when there is significant market chatter about a crude steel production limit in certain Chinese provinces this year, it will be interesting to see whether the market will witness an oversupply of iron ore or demand side scenario will continue to drive the prices higher. And undoubtedly, China is keen to cut its steel output this year to meet its carbon emissions targets. However, there is a possibility of resultant high steel prices encouraging mills to increase their operating rates, offsetting output reductions elsewhere. And this may refrain the country from succeeding in driving overall steel output lower, potentially creating upward pressure on iron ore prices. And in the energy space, WTI and Brent crude has crossed the $70 per barrel mark and showing strength at this level, although OPEC has continued to keep a tight leash on outputs over recent months. The supply deficit remains a cause of concern for the oil market. Then other precious metals are also swinging in the tug of war between demand and supply dynamics. Notably, the rise in commodity prices has also reflected in companies' share prices engaged in the related space. And here, in this show today, we're going to discuss 10 companies that have touched their all-time highs recently. The objective is to give you a glimpse of how much these companies' share price has appreciated in the last year and their exposure to the commodity market. So stay tuned with us on 𝐾𝐽 TV. Now let's begin the segment starting with ASX behemoth BHP Group, a diversified resource and energy company engaged in the exploration and production of a wide range of commodities, including iron ore, petroleum, copper, coal and nickel. The base metals are in demand and their prices are soaring higher. In May this year, the mining major has reached its all-time high of 51 Australian dollars on the ASX. BHP Group has given a handsome return of 37% in the last year to its shareholders, and the company has a market cap of 259 billion Australian dollars, and that was current on the 9th of July 2021. Next on the list is the diversified heavyweight mineral explorer Rio Tinto, a portfolio of assets focused on base and precious metals, including iron, copper, aluminium, lithium and boron assets worldwide. The stock is trading close to its lifetime high of 132 Australian dollars and 94 cents. The Rio Tinto stock has given a return of 32% in the last year, and the company has a market cap of $139.38 billion US dollars. Third on the list is Fortescue Metals Group, one of Australia's largest producers of iron ore. The company's share price has performed well in the last 3 years. Its shares are trading close to an all-time high of 25 Australian dollars. And Fortescue Metals has a market cap of 76.83 billion Australian dollars and in the last year the FMG stock has given a return of approximately 62.5%. So we're moving on now to another exciting mining player, Grange Resources, and one of Australia's premier iron ore pellets producers. Grange Resources recently has made a high of 79 cents on 13th July. The company is engaged in magnetite iron ore extraction from the Savage River project. And Grange Resources stock has given 190% return in the last year to its shareholders. And now it's time for a short break. Please stay tuned with us as we will take a look at more miners shortly. Crypto talk by 𝐾𝐽. The crypto market has been red hot given the Bitcoin rally since the past year. And now the most famous cryptocurrency has got competitors, Dogecoin and Ethereum. If the crypto market excites you, tune in with me, Sage, to know the latest developments about the existing digital currencies and the new ones that are joining the race. I'll help you understand the opportunities and the risks the crypto market has in store for you. For all the digital currency related developments, continue watching Crypto Talk by 𝐊𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐚. Thanks for joining us, viewers. Welcome back. I'm Sage and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Let us now take a look at more buzzing materials players under the spotlight. Galaxy Resources is also under the spotlight. The aspiring lithium producer and developer Galaxy Resources has a well-diversified lithium asset portfolio spread across 3 continents. The company operates the hard rock Mount Cattlin spodumene project in Western Australia. It is a mature operation and has achieved stable production. Galaxy also operates the Sal de Vida lithium brine project in Argentina and Canada's James Bay spodumene project. The shares of Galaxy Resources are trading close to their high of $4.17 on the 5th of May 2021, and as of 13th July 2021 the company has a market cap of 2 billion Australian dollars. Let's move on now to the next. Mineral Resources also deserves closer attention. An innovative mining services company, Mineral Resources, is engaged in multiple commodity exploration and production, including iron ore and lithium. The company has transitioned from services to owning and operating commodity projects. And Mineral Resources shares touched their all-time high of 60 Australian dollars on the 13th of June 2021. And have given an excellent return of more than 150% in the last year. Next up, Peregrine Gold holds rights to tenement packages spread over a 636 kilometre square area in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. The Pilbara Gold project includes 7 exploration licences that have a vast number of anomalies that are unexplored. And Peregrine Gold shares touched 46 Australian dollars on the 9th of July 2021. An all-time high, and the shares have given a handsome return of 90% to its shareholders in the last year. The following mining player grabbing the headlines is Chalice Mining, a precious and base metal explorer with projects including Pyramid Hill Gold Project in Victoria, Hawkeston Nickel Copper Cobalt Project in West Kimberley, and Julimar Nickel Copper PGE project in Avon region. Looking at the stock performance, Chalice Mining shares made an all-time high of $9.34 Australian in the first week of June 2021. And meanwhile, Pilbara Minerals is another exciting mining stock that owns and operates one of the world's most significant hard rock lithium projects in the Pilbara region. The Pilgangoora project produces low-cost and high-grade spodumene, and the company also owns 2 processing plants, Pilgan and 𝐷𝐴𝐺𝐤, to process the mined material. Pilbara Minerals shares achieved an all-time high of $1.58 Australian on 13th July 2021. And in the last year, PLS has given more than 400% return to its shareholders. And finally, the ASX-listed BCI Minerals touched an all-time high of 60 cents Australian on the 13th of July 2021. The company has a diversified resource portfolio of salt, potash and iron ore. The salt and potash business sits within the West Pilbara coast, and BCI Minerals earns iron ore royalties from iron ore production from the Iron Valley mine. And viewers, thanks for joining us on that report. It's time to wrap up the show, but keep watching 𝐊𝐴𝐿𝐴𝐚 TV as we bring you the latest news and trending market updates live from Sydney, and we'll be back with the same show tomorrow to bring more exciting market trends and the relevant stocks for you. This is Sage signing off.